So the first thing we all know is to create a bot in developer portals. By the way, don't forget to skip this part because a lot of people skip it and then say in the comments section that dude it's not replying call FBI blah blah blah. Alright, click on the big new application button in developer portals, then give your bot a smexy name whatever it is, agree to their term of services and then click on create. Now, go to the bot section, click on add a bot and then click on yes do it.
Just do it!
After that, scroll down then enable these 3 intense options. If you didn't enable them then your bot will not respond to your message. Now, go to OAuth 2, then URL generator, in scopes, select bot and then select your bot permissions whatever you want. After that copy your bot invite URL and invite your bot to a server and our first step is completed. After creating your bot, come to this GitHub link from the description. After that, click on the code button then copy the GitHub URL. I'm using repl.it for hosting. If you want to use any other hosters then you can also download the files just by clicking on the download as a zip. Now come to replace and then click on the create button, then click on import from GitHub. In the URL, paste the GitHub URL which you have copied and then click on import from GitHub. Wait for some time until it import all the files. It can take some time depends on your internet.
One eternity later.
Once it's completed, you will see something like this. By the way, if you want to know how this bot is made then you can watch his video which is given in the code. Alright, to put your bot token in OpenAI Key, you will have to go to the env file. If you are using other hosters then you can put the details in the env, but if you are using RepL like me, then you will have to use the secrets option. Go to the secrets from the tools in the key section, type bot_token, make sure all the letters are same as they are in the env file. To get the bot token, simply go to developer portals and then go to the bot section. Now click on reset token and then yes do it, copy the bot token and paste it in the value section. After that click on add a new secret key then type OpenAI_key, make sure the letters are correct. To get the OpenAI key, simply come to this website from the description. After that log in with your account. If you don't already have an account then first create one which is absolutely free. After login in you will see something like this. Now click on your profile icon then click on view API keys. Here, click on generate a new API key. Make sure to copy the key before doing anything because you will not be able to copy it once the key menu is closed. Before going further, let me tell you about its usage and pricing. If you have a free account then you will have a 7-day trial in which they will give you tokens worth $18. And if you are using the bot then your tokens will be used. The more people chat with the bot the more tokens will be used. Once they are finished you will have to buy more tokens from their shop. You can check their pricing of tokens from the description. Alright, so paste the API key which you have copied and then click on the run button to host the bot. Wait for some time until it install the required files and then start hosting the bot. If you get this message, it means that the bot is hosted. Now the last thing you need to do is to select the channel in which the bot will chat. For that, select the channel in which you want the bot to chat, then right click on it and then click on copy ID. If you don't have this option then you will have to enable the developer option by going to your user settings, advanced, then developer mode. After copying the ID, come to index.js and replace the bot channel ID with yours in line number 25 and you are done. Now simply run the bot and wait for some time until it hosts the bot. Once it's done, go to your server and test the bot if it's working or not. And also, make sure to give the bot admin permissions as we select administrator permission while creating the bot. Let's test the bot by sending a simple message, and you can see the bot is working fine. And also let me tell you an important thing that this bot will not exactly work like ChatGPT as we have used another API key. It's because ChatGPT has not API key yet, so we will have to wait for the ChatGPT API key to make bots like it. Alright, so this is the end of the video, and I hope this video helped you. If you want to know some more methods of creating a bot without coding then click on the left video, and for more Discord videos, click on the right playlist. Peace out.